Hi everyone, Brian at GardenMinutes.com here. We had a question over the weekend asking us to explain how our manifold system works for our garden grid watering systems. This is our Multi-Garden Grid Connection Manifold, and basically what it does is it interconnects two neighboring garden grids, so that way they can run off of one water source. So if we go over here, turn on our water, the water goes through this garden hose, up the manifold, and will then come out of each garden grid watering system separately. Then from the bottom of the manifold, you can connect another garden hose and run it up to another garden grid watering system, or to another manifold if you have more than one garden grid watering system over on this side. So you see the water coming out of the garden grids now. The manifold also allows you to adjust each side independently of the rest. So I can turn the water down the left side while the right still runs, and then turn it up as well, all independently of the other garden grids running off of the one water source that we have here.